When we first thought of combining this complex and putting fire and police together, we actually thought it would be a much smaller complex. Even after I saw the drawings, I thought it would be much smaller. But as I passed, it kind of grew from this end to this end, and it grew taller and taller, and it's much larger than we first thought it would be. It's really about a $6.5 million complex. Would be, if not it is one of the most modern public safety complexes in the Southeast. It has fully equipped facility for the fire department, fully equipped facility for the police department. In the back of the complex is a fueling station for all of the City of Mobile vehicles that operate in West Mobile. So all that's a part of this complex, and it saves us a lot of efficiency, because before now, those vehicles had to go all the way back over to Municipal Park or downtown to fuel, to come back out here to do their job. Now they can do that out here. They have a 10,000-gallon fuel system in the back of the complex here that any city vehicle or our trash trucks, garbage trucks, all can use coming through this particular complex. I think you'll be real pleased with what's in here. We have another complex that we plan to start in Theodore in the very near future that's very similar to this, smaller, but very similar to this. And I think that what you're seeing are some of the most modern public safety facilities in the Southeast as we continue this and as we go through the renovation of all our other stations at the same time. So we renovated a number of stations. We built this one. We plan to build another one. Also, next to where you're seated is the new equipment that just came in for this station. The two trucks here are new trucks, or new style trucks. And I'll ask the chief as he takes you around to kind of explain those trucks. One of them is one that we have not had in the past, and it's a new fire truck that it really has a lot more capability than some of our others. So he'll explain that as we move around, and we want you to get a chance to tour the building. I want to just thank everyone for the cooperation in this. We came in and we started looking at this every week, and it got to a point where about every month and a half we come out and look at it develop, and it really is a great job on behalf of the architect, the contractor, and our AE department, who put a lot of time into this. And they put time into it and letting the fire chief and the police chief and their department supervisors actually design what they wanted in the complex. And I think they did a great job doing that. It will be good for our citizens, good for the men and women who work in this complex. And it also has a public meeting room in it for the public out here. And you can actually do a lot of things in this building. Almost anything you can do in police headquarters and the main fire station can be done in this building.